Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Dalam Cahya, NPM 22411-210. I'm currently studying at the Indonesian Technocrat University. Here I explain one of the many topics in my course. I hope that the material I will convey later will be useful. Have a good time watching. Transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is the practice of setting prices for transactions between related entities or division within a corporate group. In other words, it is the price set when one company in a group of companies sells goods, service, or intangible asset to another company in the same group. Transfer pricing is important because it can affect profits and the tax burden that companies have to pay in various installments. Basic concept of transfer pricing. Transfer pricing refers to the price of transaction between affiliate companies which are on location in a different geographical location or tax interest. In multinational company, MNC group company can utilize transfer pricing to pool income and costs among subsidiaries location is various countries with certain objective one of which is optimize their global tax burden. Transfer pricing method. There are several international recorded methods of determining a fair transfer price, including one comparable uncontrolled price (CUP) method compares intercompany transaction prices with the related prices that apply in transaction between unrelated parties. 2. Resale price method, RPM, based on the resale price from affiliate buyers to these parties after deducting the apparent gross profit margin. 3. Cross plus method calculates prices by adding an appropriate markup to the production cost of goods or service. 4. Transactional net margin method, TNMM, using the net profit margin obtained from a transaction with unrelated parties as a reference. Then profit split method defeats the combined profit resulting from transaction between related companies based on the related contribution of each entity in generating that profit. Reason why companies transfer pricing. There are several reasons why companies use transfer pricing, including 1. Tax optimization by transferring profit to countries through lower tax rates, companies can reduce the total tax they have paid global. 2. Currency risk management, using transfer pricing to move income or expenses to countries with more stable currency and can help companies manage the risk of exchange rate falls. 3. Allocation resource efficiently. Transfer pricing allow companies to allocate resources, capital or labor more efficiently across a group of companies. Then tax issues is transfer pricing. Taxes are one of the main reasons why transfer pricing is a concern for governments and tax authorities in various countries. Inappropriate transfer pricing practice can reduce government tax revenues because companies can shift profit into lower tax rates. 3. 4. Tax authorities often regulate transfer pricing to ensure that the transfer price is a fair price. Arm's length principle, namely the same price as transaction occurring between unaffiliated parties. International regulation on transfer pricing. Transfer pricing regulations are based on the arm's length principle, fairness principle, which is such by the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. In the OECD transfer pricing guidelines, this principle sets the price used in transactions between affiliate companies should be equivalent to prices that would be used in similar transactions between unaffiliated companies in the open market. Risk and sanction. If the tax authority finds the transfer price used is not in accordance with the fairness principle, the company may be subject to sanction or fines. Other risks include 1. Double taxation. 2. More intensive challenge in transfer pricing. 1. Limited data comparability. 2. Change international regulation. 3. Operational complexity. Benefit of proper transfer pricing. Current use of transfer pricing has several benefits, including 1. Compliance with regulation. By complying with existing regulation, companies can avoid sanction and defer tax audits. 2. Optimal profit measurement. Transfer pricing can help companies to optimize profit distribution between affiliate entities according to their contribution. 3. Operational efficiency. Making that transfer price reflects fair value can improve efficiency in business operation between branch or division on the company. Conclusion: transfer of pricing is a very important element in the management of multinational companies. Even though it can provide benefits such as tax optimization and currency risk management, transfer pricing also carries risk of taxation. Transfer pricing also carries risk of not implemented properly, especially in times of taxation. Therefore, companies must ensure that the transfer pricing policies implemented are in accordance with international and local regulation and have sufficient documentation to support these policies. That's all. Finally, that's all my explanation of material. I apologize if I made a mistake in my explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.